Good morning everyone. Today we will learn English alphabets with their sounds. Let's start. Let's start with the first letter. First letter is A. A is vowel. It has two sounds. Long sound is A and short sound is A. A. Apple. Next B. 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 Ball. Next C. K. K. Cat. D. 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 Drum. E is vowel, so it has two sounds. Long sound is E. Eagle. Short sound is E. E. Elephant. Next is F. Fish. Next is G. 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 Grapes. H. 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 House. I. I has two sounds. Long sound is I. Ice cream. And short sound is I. I. Igloo. Next is J. 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 Jellyfish. K. 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 Kite. L. Lollipop. M. Mango. Next N. Nest. O is vowel, so it has two sounds. Long sound is O and short sound is O. O. Oranges. P. 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 Pencil. Next is Q. 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 Question mark. Next is R. 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 Rain. Next is S. 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 Snake. Next is T. 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 Tree. Next is U. U is vowel, so it has two sounds. Long sound is U and short sound is A. Umbrella. Next is V. 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 Van. Next is W. V. V. Watch. Next is X. 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 X makes tree. Next is Y. 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 Yogurt. Next is Z. 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 Zero.